Yes guys, chicken on the fire. Authentic jerk chicken. Yeah. Looking lovely, ain't it? Yeah. Nice. Nice one. Yes guys, chicken on the fire, same way. This one ready. Yeah. Authentic jerk chicken. Yes guys, trio chicken ready. Chicken finished jerk. Looking lovely. I'm just gonna go and cut them up now. Yeah. Looking lovely. Trust me. Yes guys, I'm at it same way. Making some soup, some mannish water soup with some mutton and some goat feet. Yeah. I am cooking some curry goat at the moment. So you know it's Friday. And this is how we do it. On a Friday we're gonna fry. There's some fish that were fried already. Yeah. So as we go along, I'll show you what we're doing. I am gonna clean some prawn now to do some pepper prawn for later. That's the fish that we fry already. Gonna fry some more because we have people who come and them love fried fish, so we're gonna fry some. Yes guys, I am on the outside now, yeah. I'm jerking some chicken. And that's the chicken on the fire. See what's happening here? Let's turn that one. Yeah. Yeah, getting there. This is authentic jerk chicken. Not the one that burnt, that they barbecue. This is a jerk one. Holding the camera and doing it at the moment, so it's like that. It's a good look. Yes guys, jerk chicken here. As we go along, I'm going to video some more stuff that I'm doing at the moment, yeah. Yes guys, just put in some carrot, some bell pepper, seasoning up so it can just get down to business. I let it cook some more, then I put some cornstarch in. Give it a good body, a gravy. Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that guys, sorry about that. I'm multitasking at the moment. Yeah. Curry with a simmer, I go. Put See some more juice. Let me get some more juice out of it because it's gravy need body. I'm gonna do that in a minute. Give me a minute. Yes guys, I mix some cornstarch. Pour some cornstarch in it. And that will give it, get some gravy, make the gravy have body. Yeah? That will make the gravy have a consistent thickness. So it's some cornstarch. But I am multitasking. I am holding the phone at the same time and doing it. Yeah, how does that look? That look good? That look good? Nice gravy. Use some cornstarch to thicken it. Frying some fish on the outside. Looking lovely. Fry some salmon as well.
She would feel.
Yes guys, doing my pepper prawn now. This is what I use. I use Maggi hot and sweet and sour sauce. That's what I use. Yeah, that's my soup in the pot. Just get in my spoon. I am going to put in my prawns now. Yeah, and that's my clean prawn. Devein them and I cut it out like that. Yeah. So I'll add some vegetable seasoning to this sweet chili sauce. And you know me, I multitask. I hold the video at the same time while doing it. Sorry guys, I'm multitasking, yeah. Yes guys, pepper prawns looking very lovely. Ready to come off the fire now.